Hello you guys, today we are in the Cadillac Lyriq, which is Cadillac's electric vehicle. One of the coolest features that this car has is, it has heated seats, cooled seats, but it has massage seats. So right now I actually have the heat setting on and the massage, so let me show y'all. So to turn the heat setting on, I just clicked right here. So the one that I have, it is doing the bottom of the seat and the top. This one is just the top, and then this one right here is the cooled seats. And then to get the massage to go on, you just turn this knob and it'll show your seat on the screen. So let's see, I clicked roll, and you can either have it on 2, 1, or 3, and I want 3, so we're gonna leave it there, and you can see it's showing you the massage. I mean, this is so cool. And then to turn it off, you just twist the knob, turn it back on 3. So you guys, we are sitting here right now with a heated seat and a massage. I mean, this car cannot get any better. Come check out this car here at Coastal Chevrolet Cadillac, or give us a phone call at 843-979-3400 with any questions. We would love to answer them and show you this vehicle in person.